Every clay shooter wants the same thing: more hits, cleaner breaks, higher scores. But here's the hard truth. Most shooters keep missing for the same reason. Not because their gun is wrong, not because the targets are too fast, but because of a mistake hiding inside their technique. A mistake so common that most shooters never even notice it. And if you don't fix it, you'll keep missing targets again and again. So the real question is, are you making this mistake too? Before we continue, I want to say something from the heart. Making videos like this takes a lot of time, research, practice, and real effort on the range. I genuinely work hard to bring you techniques that actually help you improve your clay shooting. Not just theory, but real experience. So if you appreciate this effort, take 1 second to support the channel. Hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more shooters. Subscribe if you want to keep learning and improving together. And drop a comment below. Your feedback tells me what you want to learn next. Your support motivates me to create even better and more detailed videos for this clay shooting community. And most importantly, share this video with your friends who love clay shooting. Let's help more shooters improve together and build a strong shooting community. Now, let's get back to the technique. Mistake number 1. Your eyes are in the wrong place. The biggest mistake most shooters make is simple. They look at the gun instead of the target. The moment your eyes drop to the barrel, your brain loses connection with the clay. Your timing disappears. Your movement becomes late. And the target escapes. Professional shooters understand something very important. The eyes lead the shot. They lock onto the clay target immediately. The gun simply follows where the eyes go. When your vision stays glued to the target, your brain automatically calculates the lead and timing. That's how champions shoot, without hesitation. Mistake number 2, the late reaction. Another silent killer in clay shooting is hesitation. Many shooters wait too long before starting their swing. They see the clay, then pause for a moment, then start moving the gun. By that time, the target already has momentum. Now you're chasing it. And chasing targets almost always ends in a miss. Top shooters react immediately. They start the gun movement smoothly as soon as the clay appears. No panic, no delay, just controlled rhythm. Mistake number 3, the dead gun problem. This mistake destroys more shots than people realize. The moment they pull the trigger, they stop the gun. But clay targets never stop moving. If the gun stops, the shot falls behind the target. That's why elite shooters always follow through. Even after firing, the barrel continues moving along the clay's path. It's a small detail, but that small detail separates good shooters from great ones. Mistake number 4, the overthinking curse. Clay shooting is a fast sport. Targets appear, move, and disappear in seconds. But many shooters try to calculate everything: angle, speed, distance, lead, and by the time their brain finishes thinking, the moment is already gone. Great shooters simplify the process. They trust their training. Their mindset is simple: see the target, move smoothly, break the clay. No overthinking, just instinct and rhythm. The difference between average and elite shooters. Average shooters chase perfection. Elite shooters chase consistency. They trust their eyes, they move smoothly, and they never stop the gun. Fix these mistakes, and you'll start breaking targets with far more confidence. Final message: clay shooting isn't about luck. It's about discipline, timing, and trust in your technique. The shooters who master these fundamentals are the ones who walk off the range with the highest scores. Now I want to hear from you. Which mistake do you struggle with the most? Looking at the gun? Starting late? Stopping the gun? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you improve even a little, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with another clay shooter. Because the more we learn together, the more targets we break. See you in the next video.